After it poured down with rain all night, we now have to go investigate. Timothy is not so sure.
I need to inspect the tree. Quick! You like my new harness? I'm a big girl now, and this is a harness for grown-ups.
All is so quiet this morning. But the birds are chirping loud. And Samiah is happy
All
on
those
her
birds
tree.
on the wire. Can I get to them one
Only
day?
she could catch some birds.
In and out and in and out. Of course you can come out. You always run back inside, and Simba is waiting. Wait a minute. Clip your harness on.